Oh my god, track fans. Now Sha'carri has come out to social media and she has a message for the Jamaican athlete. I was very shocked when I saw this message that Sha'carri said about the Jamaicans. Now in this video I will share with you what Sha'carri said to them. So you have to make sure to keep watching, and also if this happens to be your first time here on the YouTube channel, please make sure you do subscribe. Now the Sha'carri we formerly knew is that kind of Sha'carri that is very rude, that kind of Sha'carri that she does not respect other athletes. That was in the past years, because we normally know Sha'carri, before a competition will begin, she will come to social media and boast about beating so many athletes, especially the Jamaicans. And at the end of the day, Sha'carri will not end up fulfilling her promise. But in 2023, I saw a different Sha'carri. We all saw a new Sha'carri that has been transformed. Like this year, Sha'carri is totally different. She is respectful, she is no longer ruteful, and she is allowing her foot do the talk instead of her coming to social media and blasting about beating athletes who are running faster than her. And she has proved to the world that yes, you can be wrong and be right at the same time. I think she is one of the greatest comeback in the history of athletic we have ever seen. After people doubted her, after people insulted her, after people said all kind of things they want to say about Sha'carri, she finally came back to deliver a very brainwashing performance in Budapest World Athletic. Now, track fans, let's begin with the main title of this video, which is Sha'carri sending a very strong message to the Jamaicans. Now Sha'carri went on her Instagram account and I saw she posted something like this. Now Sha'carri wrote on her official Instagram account saying, "I am different and I like that." Now I'm not actually saying that she is referring to the Jamaicans. No, she is not referring to the Jamaicans. She is just trying to let you people know that she is different and that's who she is.